It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera. We've got the blacked out GMC emblem, chrome tow hooks, fog lights, 22-inch wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, power retractable running boards. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, a tonneau cover, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're going to use the key fob, push that button twice to pop it open. This truck also has GM's multi-pro tailgate, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we can drop that tailgate down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.